Welcome back to Harbor Freight, and we have some new May spring savings coupons. So these are starting tomorrow, April 28th through Sunday, May 11th, and we'll do our favorite thing. We're just gonna go through all the coupons and react and see if we see any difference between price increases and maybe less of a discount. But I'm hoping we'll see more increased percentages off. Jump right in. Daytona 3-ton low profile professional floor jack with rapid pump, $149.99, $30 off, which is roughly 20% off, was $180. So here we see Daytona 3-ton low profile professional floor jack with rapid pump, orange, $199 actually. So on the website it's showing $199. For the SKU 64240 going to the super coupon 64240, the other three do not match, so that always throws me off a little bit. The 6424 in orange does match, but the is different, which is good to see because it's $30 off of $180, not $30 off of $199. Make sure we have these right. The Daytona 3-ton low profile professional floor jack with rapid pump. It looks like it's it. The item number matches, but we'll see. $30 off of $180, not the $199, $150. And since we're here already, it does appear that this has gone down relatively recently with an ITC coupon down to $120. This is the lowest this has ever been, which is a crazy deal. Looks like normally it's around $150. So $30 off at $150 is not too bad. It's not too bad at all. Can't expect it to be at its lowest price every single time with the coupon, but just keep that in mind. $150. Yukon 5-tier shelf, 36-inch, 18-inch by 72-inch, $40, 33% off. That's great. If we keep up with these 30%, at least above 20% off, I'm going to be happy with these super coupons. Daytona 3-ton professional floor jack with a rapid pump, $160 down to $140, $20 off, a little bit less than 20%, but we'll look this one up as well. So this is 56642, believe in blue, and we have 56642, and it's showing 180 on the website. 180 on the website, but on the super coupon, it's showing 160, $20 off. So this is looking like, whatever this is, these have not been updated, or maybe they know that. Maybe they were going to drop these prices anyways to be good super coupons. But anyways, $20 off the old price, which is at $140. And since we're here, we'll look at this price history as well. Looks like this was listed at $160 before, which is matching, not the new price online. And the lowest this has been was back in 2021 at $104. We're not going back to that. Was on sale, looks about November of last year for $120. Normally hovers around $140 for most of its deals over the last couple of years. So $140 is a super solid price, and we're at $140. So not too bad as long as it sticks, as long as this stays accurate. We'll keep going. Avanti handheld HVLP paint and stain sprayer, $50, 28% off. Number 33 bench plane, $10, 23% off. Fortress, brand new, 9-gallon, 135 PSI, high performance gas wheelbarrow job site air compressor for $999.99. $200 off, and we will bring out the good old calculator. Don't need it that big. We will bring out the calculator just to see what percentages is off. Sometimes it hurts my brain a little bit. And it's about 16, almost 17% off. So it's above the do not buy, because if it's less than 15%, it's a tough buy. But it's above that. So it's you can buy if you'd like to. And actually, for something that's a brand new tool, and being that we haven't seen a 20% off any single item, 16, almost 17% off this brand new air compressor might be a good get. But anyways, $999.99, $200 off, not too bad, 17% off. We continue. Metal 50 caliber ammo can, $12, 33% off. I'd like to see 33% off. Franklin 29 by 15-inch industrial polypropylene service cart, $90, $10 off. That's 10%. Kenway 12-volt LED trailer light kit, $32.99, 23% off. Titanium professional welder with 120 240 volt input, $20 off. I do not like to see that. 10% would be $50 off. So you're getting maybe 5% off. So that is a do not insult me. I will not buy. Do not buy. Battery operated liquid transfer pump, $7, 48% off. Yes, there you go. That is not insulting. That is exciting to see. Central Pneumatic 3/8 inch 50-foot retractable hose reel for $60, 33% off. I like this pattern so far. Drummond 3/4 horsepower submersible utility pump, stainless steel construction, 4,400 gallons per hour, $160, $30 off. That's also about 16%. So okay, all right, 16%. If you have to, you can buy it, save 16%. Badlands ZXR 3,500 pound UTV power sport winch with automatic load holding brake, $110, $30 off. Not too bad. Did we just do a similar price? Should be a little bit better. $30 off compared to $140. Well, all right, 21% off. Almost 21. That's pretty decent. 21.4% off. And actually, just not doing the math, but the one to the next of it, the Hercules 15 amp 12.5 inch portable thickness planer is only $30 off, but that's $400. So unless you're already in the market for a Hercules portable thickness planer, $30 off is a little bit insulting as well. $40 off would be 10% off, but this is less. So what is that? 7.5% off. So unless you're already going in to buy it without a coupon, which if you're watching this channel, you should never buy anything at Harbor Freight unless you have a coupon, unless you really need it. But $30 off, $370, only about 7% off. Merlin 3/8 inch by 50-foot rubber air hose, $20, 20% off. Hallmaster 750 pound capacity folding cargo carrier for $100, was $120, $20 off. Okay. Not too bad. Pittsburgh 3/8 inch drive dual flex ratchet. That's crazy. What are you using this for? I'm sure there's a reason. Dual flex ratchet, $12, 29% off. 8-foot by 10-foot silver and black extreme duty weather resistant tarp for $12, 20% off. Maddox disc brake pad and caliper service toolkit, 11-piece. Not too bad, 28% off. $30. The 19 by 29 foot all-purpose weather-resistant tarp, $28, 15% off. Vanguard's 100-foot by 16 and 3-gauge indoor-outdoor extension cord for $25, 16% off. 9,200-pound ratcheting load binder from Hallmaster, $40, 20% off. Pittsburgh Pro 3/8 inch drive quick-release extension bar set, 4-piece for $18, only 10% off. Warriors router template guide set, 9-piece, $13, 13% off. Hallmaster 13-inch flat free tire with powder coated steel hub, about $19.79, 10% off. Pittsburgh 11-inch swivel pad C-clamp locking plier, $6, 25% off. Hallmaster 15-inch worry-free tire with polyurethane hub, $29.69. They're throwing in some numbers. $29.69, 15% off. Hercules 6-inch by 7/8 inch type 0141 metal cutoff wheels, 10-pack, $15, 25% off. Armstrong's 6-foot USB to lightning braided charging cable for $11, 15% off. Storehouse PTO pin assortment, 20-piece for $8, 20% off. Icon Alert, if you didn't get it on this past weekend's sale. Oh, it wouldn't have been. This was $21.99. So actually, this would not have qualified. So the previous sale was the pliers and hammers. That sale, if you didn't get it during that sale, or if you don't already have it, here we have the 11-inch 45-degree long reach pliers for $15, 31% off. Definitely a buy. Bauer 1/8 inch to 3/4 inch number 1 black oxide step drill bit, 13 steps and 6 steps and 9 steps for number 2 and number 3, $15, 25% off. Storehouse self-tapping wood screw set, 120 pieces for $2.79. That's 37% off. Voyager 12-inch tool tote with 18 pockets for $8, 27% off. Icon Alert again, and I like what I'm seeing, guys. I like what I'm seeing. 3/8" drive professional socket extension set, 6-piece, $25, 37% off. Steal of a deal. We're calling it now. $25 for the Icon 3/8 drive professional socket extension set, 6-piece. Bauer impact drill driver bit set, 35-piece for $15, 31% off. Icon alert again, although this one doesn't seem as great. 3/8" drive, 20 to 100 foot-pound professional split beam torque wrench, $90, $10 off. The last sale I remember for Icon torque wrenches was last year, and they did 40% off. Will they do that sale again this year? I don't know. $10 off is not that great, but this is one of those hot tools that is needed. So 10% off is not in the buy range, but if you got to do it, at least save the $10. US General folding side tray for 4-drawer tech cart, $15, 11% off. Pittsburgh 8-inch multi-purpose stainless steel scissors, $6.99, 12% off. Zurich ZR13S OBD2 code reader with ABS, SRS, Fix Assist for $140, and abysmal $10 off. That's not even 10%. 10% would be $15 off. So that's like 6% off. Pittsburgh half-inch drive impact socket extension set for a 4-piece for $7, 30% off. Warriors security bit set, 33-piece for $5, 28% off. Pittsburgh's lifetime warranty, 11-inch pliers, your choice of either the bent nose, or the long reach needle nose, 90 degree, 45 degree. A lot of different options for $4, 33% off. I mean, this is tough to beat. I'm a fan of Icon, but I'm a fan of a $4 plier, and you can get 3 different pliers for a total of $12 with a lifetime warranty. That's tough. These look pretty nice. Merlin 1/4-inch brass industrial coupler, $4, 14% off female or male. Bauer 6-inch PSA sanding disc with zirconia alumina grain, 5-pack for $3, 53% off. Pittsburgh 3/8" drive hex socket set, 6-piece. Your choice of SAE or metric for $5.49, 31% off. Then we have Central Machinery 20-inch 3-speed high velocity fan, $45, 25% off. And here we go, Pittsburgh 2-ton low profile floor jack with rapid pump for $99.99, $20 off. This one feels like one that went up in price recently, and sure did. It is listed on the website as $140, but again, on the coupon, it's only listed as $120. So this $20 off was going to throw me off, but now it doesn't throw me off as much because, well, let's look at the price history. The lowest this has been is $80, but it's only happened once. So it's, again, we can't have the lowest price every single time a coupon comes out. I'm realistic, I understand. But the normal sale is about $100. And my worry was, with these price increases, my hope was that they'd increase the price to $140, but the sale prices would remain the same. So it would be a bigger discount that they're giving for people who are aware of the sales, I guess. And if people come in and they make a purchase and aren't aware of the coupons, well, then they're paying a higher price. But at least for ITC or people who are aware of using the super coupons, they'll still be getting those discounted prices, even though the prices have gone up. So that's my hope. I don't know if Harbor Freight is doing this on purpose because the was is wrong, but the price is right. So far the sale prices haven't increased. The super coupon price has been right on. But I wonder if eventually they'll catch on. They'll see that the was price is the wrong price, and then they'll raise the super coupon price. But anyways, we continue. 12 foot by 20 foot, silver and black extreme duty weather resistant tarp, $35, 22% off. Hallmaster 1,000-pound capacity, 10-inch by 84-inch steel loading ramp, set of 2 for $80, $20 off. That's 20%. That's pretty good. Then we have Quinn razor blades, 10-pack for $1, 50% off. Maybe a new steal of a deal. Great price. Merlin 16-ounce air tool oil for $4, 20% off. 1.5-inch angle paintbrush, good quality. Only good quality. Only good quality. So keep that in mind. $2, 20% off. Super Glue 3-pack for 99 cents, 33% off. And we end it with a little bit of a whimper. Hallmaster 1 5/8 inch solid rubber swivel caster, 99 cents, 15% off. What do you think? What do you think of these super coupons? These are the new super coupons with the recent price increases. Of course, they didn't increase the price on everything, and of course, they have reduced the price on some items. So who's to say this wasn't just a part of normal price increases? But that being said, the discounts were the same, albeit on the old prices. So what do you think? Which one of these are you going to get? They're not too bad. They're pretty decent. Spring savings, these are going through May 11th. Happy Harbor Freighting. Please consider liking and subscribing if you find this useful. And as soon as I find some more deals, I'll send them your way.